To adjust and address alarms on the Panther 5N, you simply touch the alarms icon located on the control panel. From here, we can select the high or low parameters of each alarm using the control knob to adjust them. I will simulate a high priority alarm by touching the volume, turning it down below the current volume being delivered, and I can see that in green on each alarm bar. I hit accept all, and we wait. Active alarms will be displayed across the top alarm banner. I see it as a high volume alarm, and the red light indicator tells me it's high priority. I tap. I find the high volume. I turn up the parameter. Above the green line, which is what is currently happening with the patient, I hit accept all when I'm done. The alarm is resolved. The indicator turns gray, letting me know that there's a previous alarm that needs to be sort of acknowledged and cleared out. One tap, it goes away.